Here is our FAT product with integrated splitter inside, so we can also call it OSB. The FAT is locked tightly. We need the keys to unlock the FAT and hold the key, unbuckle the FAT and open the cover. Inside FAT, there are 4 splices. Now we lead in the distribution cable through the cable hole on the ceiling block. Adjust the position of the distribution cable so that the stripping point is 16 mm away from the ceiling block. Secure the armorate fiber and then secure the distribution cable on the binding slot using cable ties or hose clamp. When we finished the last step, turn over the termination panel back. Then mark the stripping point of the loose tube. Make sure it cannot exceed the line corresponding to the tube end on the fiber spool board. Clean the bare fiber and route the fibers of optical cable into bottom splicing tray and coil the fibers like a horizontal S. Only 2 coils are spliced with the pigtails corresponding to the input pigtails of the splitter. After splicing the distribution fiber and pre-installed pigtails, we continue to install and splice pigtails with job cable. In a common situation, the shape of job cable is flat, and each job cable with only one or two fiber cords connected to one house. Here we only use a distribution cable to represent the job cable. First, leading the cable through the cable hole on the ceiling block. Then strip the job cable and determine the length stripped from the cable is about 1.8 meters. Adjust the position of job cable so that the stripping point does not exceed the line corresponding to the tube end on the fiber spool board. Secure the job cables to the cabling cord. Please note that each cut-through is used to fix 4 job cables. The job cables must be secured from the bottom layer. Before splicing job cable with pigtails, we need route the pigtails into the up splicing trays 2 to 4 and coil pigtails according to the routing in the following figure. Then bind the pigtails in the case using the Velcro strips. Please be careful that the maximum turnover angle of fiber termination panel is only 120 degrees. Route the bell fiber of job cables into up splicing trays through the fiber spool board, and coil fiber according to the routing in the following figure. The final step is splicing the pigtails and job cable. Be aware of that the insertion loss of each splicing point should be about 0.02 dBm. At the end of the installation, please close the FAT cover, buckle the FAT, use the keys to lock the FAT, and close the buckle cap.